When beginning a muscle building program, one of the key body part that many people want to concentrate on is the biceps. The bicep are a highly visible muscle group to others. So if you have developed arm, people will notice as you're on top of your workout game. It's important to remember that the triceps muscle is a large component of the arm, so don't neglect your triceps workout, which will give you the perfect balance of what you need to see optimal result. Another important consideration when aiming for maximum size is that heavy lifting must be prioritized. Because bulking up is a combination of a large surplus, enough volume, and plenty of calories. It's a good idea to focus on exercise that allow you to lift the most weight possible. For most people, this will be exercises like rows and lat pull-downs, which both target the bicep muscle. If you incorporate this into your workout routine on a regular basis, and then supplement with other exercises that target the bicep muscles, you will be well on your way to developing the best arm possible. There are the 3 best biceps exercises for you. 1. Barbell Crawls. The first biceps exercises to try is Barbell Bicep Curls, which allow you to overload your biceps with a heavy weight. Because most trainers are slightly stronger when lifting a barbell versus a set of dumbbells. This is an exercises for maximum strength development. When performing the exercises, the most important thing to remember is to not cut the movement pattern too short, and to avoid allowing momentum to cause you to lean backward as you hoist the weight upward. This is one of the most common errors with this exercise's momentum doing more work than your muscle do. If you perform it slowly and deliberately, you should significantly reduce the chances of this happening and be able to place a higher intensity deep within the muscle fiber. 2. Biceps Cable Curl. Cable curl are a good choice for targeting deep tissue muscle fiber because the movement pattern is less stable with this movement. Due to the consistent tension provided by the cable, you will engage all of the stabilization muscles surrounding the biceps as you perform the exercises. Cable curl can be performed with a variety of attachment, including a rope, straight a bar, or rotating cable handles that allow you to work only one arm at a time. 3. Concentration curl. Concentration curl are the final exercises to consider for blasting your biceps into growth. When performed while sitting, this reduces the role of momentum in the exercise's execution and focus solely on the biceps muscle. Concentration curl will not engage any helper muscle when done currently, so this is good one to add at the end of your workout when you're really looking to finish off the biceps and fully exhaust them.